Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best microSD card that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Samsung 32GB microSD Evo Select memory card. A great inclusive option for the best microSD cards is this Samsung microSD Evo Select. At 32GB, it offers substantial storage for your tablet, smartphone, and travel camera, giving you the right amount of space needed to keep up to date with the latest apps, and not worry about low storage space, at least not for a while, anyway. As a Class 10 card, it guarantees read speeds of at least 10 megabytes per second, and Samsung boasts an optimum speed as high as 95 megabytes per second, speeding up your data transfer activities and giving you a chance to move on quickly. For versatile storage and transfer options, it also comes with a full-size SD adapter, adding an extra level of data protection with its durable design and construction. Moving on at number 4, we have the SanDisk Extreme 64GB microSDXC card. Ideal for Android smartphones and tablets, this SanDisk 64GB microSDXC is a next-level storage device acting as much more than a mere memory card. On top of the fast read-write speeds, it comes with built-in data protection in the form of the Rescue Pro recovery software. We all know how devastating it can be to lose all your data without warning, nor doing anything wrong. It's devastating when you have done something wrong, but at least you can place the blame somewhere. So this offers peace of mind you may never have had with an SD card before. Besides this, the SanDisk Memory Zone gives you easy file organization, which is great news for those who take more pictures than they can keep up with. To sweeten the deal, it supports 4K recording and comes with a lifetime warranty, so there's pretty much no limit to what you can record and store. For more great products like this, check out our guide to the best USB flash drives. At number 3, we have the PNY Elite 512GB microSD card. We suppose sometimes it really is about size, and some may consider this PNY Elite 512GB microSD card the undisputed king of memory cards. With the capacity to store over 80 hours of video recording and more pictures than most take in their lifetime, this is a card perfect for those who want or need to record all day, every day. It's compatible with every device you could think of, including dash cams and drones, giving you the tools you need to capture crisp, clear images, and the included SD adapter makes it possible to mount on cameras. The 4-proof technology protects it from wear and tear, and any other potential damage. Whether you're an SD expert or average dude on the street, there's nothing you can't love about this card. At number 2, we have the Kingston Digital 64GB Class 10 microSD memory card. The Kingston Digital 64GB microSD strikes us as a familiar product we feel we've seen in every electronics store and supermarket ever ventured into. Though it doesn't boast as high of a capacity as the PNY Elite, it's still an excellent card to consider for ordinary storage boosting for your gadgets. As a Class 10 card, it guarantees transfer speeds of at least 10 megabytes per second but is sure to go much faster. It's also compatible with microSDXC devices and offers versatility when slotted into the provided adapter. Whether you need it for your smartphone, tablet, or camera, it's reliable and comes with a lifetime warranty with free technical support to get you out of any sticky situations. And finally at number 1, we have the SanDisk 64GB high-endurance video monitoring card. If you've got a dashcam or home security camera, then this is the card you need to invest in. Marketed based on its high endurance and quality image recording, you'll always see who was at fault for that fender bender, and who's responsible for stomping on the flower bed. It can record up to 10,000 hours, that's 416.6 days, of HD video, so you can set and forget until your next birthday rolls around. For peace of mind, SanDisk 64GB high-endurance video monitoring card has been tested rigorously in wet, dry, cold, warm, and unpredictable environments to ensure it withstands whatever Mother Nature throws at it, keeping your information secure and saved. And should anything happen, there's always that 2-year warranty to ease the pain.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.